Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the Chinese New Year, I want to show you guys something that is part of all the festivities, and that is the lion dancers. Now, the lion dancers are very cool, and they don't necessarily look like a real lion. They have a lot more of a dragon feel, but they are really cool and really fun to draw. So, I'm going to start this a little bit over here, not exactly in the center because I want to leave room for a little bit of the body. So starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's going to kind of curve down and then up like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then up. Then right here, I want to draw the eye. Now the eyes are really big, so I'm going to draw a great big circle like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just a really big circle shape. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw another circle shape towards the center, and then another one right here. Then I'm going to add another one right around it, same on each side. And then I'm going to put one more that goes right up towards the top. So start here and then just go right towards the top. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make some kind of like pointy zigzag lines right around here that kind of curve down, just to make it look like it's kind of furry. So I'm just putting little curved pointy lines on here that kind of curve around. Now, right here, I'm going to add a circle next to each eye, and this is going to be the start of the nose. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line to connect them, and then another curved line right here. Then underneath it, I'm just going to make a little kind of smiley face shape. And then I'm going to add one more little line inside there, same shape. Then I'm going to add another little line that goes right across here. Now, starting right here by the eye, I'm going to draw a line that just is going to kind of go down, and then it's going to curve up around here. And then same thing here, start right here, go down, and then kind of curve around. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, go up, down, and then kind of curve back up. And then right inside of here, I'm going to draw that same shape, just a little bit smaller. Now, for the mouth, I'm going to just draw a line that goes down and then comes back up, just so it looks like a great big smiley face. And then inside of here, you want to draw another shape just like that. And then I'm going to put another one right here, and this can be the tongue. And then I'm just going to make a nice little kind of like V shape that's kind of colored in. Now, right around this part, I'm going to add some lines that don't go all the way to the tongue, and this is going to represent the teeth. Now, right around here, I'm going to put one more curved line. And then I'm going to add some long kind of wavy lines for like a long beard. I'm going to make these go in some different directions and go all the way back up. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go from one eyebrow to the next. And then on top of here, I'm going to just add some little bumpy lines. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and down for kind of like a little horn shape. And then just kind of put some little curved lines on it for some details. And then at the very top, I'm just going to put a little circle. Now, right over here on the sides, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then come back. And then same thing over here, just kind of curve down and then come back towards the face for the ears. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line that just kind of goes around them. Now, right here above the, or right below the horn, I should say, I'm going to make a little circle. And then you just want to put some little decorations and details around it. I'm just going to put some little bumps. I'm going to make another circle or two inside of here. And then just some more little details on the inside of this. Now for the body. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. A couple little bumps. And then I'm just going to sweep it all the way back up to here. Then right underneath here, I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy line that's going to go all the way to the end. And then lots of these lion dancers have kind of like a wavy pattern on them. So I'm just going to make some wavy lines that just kind of flow all the way from one side to the next. And I'm going to end them right there. Now for the legs. The legs are really simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up. And then I'm going to put another one back here. Just go down, over, and up, kind of like some rectangle shapes. Then right back here, I'm going to draw one that goes down, and I'm going to run it right into this one. Then over here, I'm going to draw one that's going to kind of go down, and then it's going to curve. Then it's going to go over, and then back up right into the beard, just so it looks like it's moving. Now at the bottom of these, I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy, wiggly line at the bottom of each one. And then I want to put some more of those kind of like wavy lines on here. So just on each one of these, I'm going to add some wavy lines just for some decoration and some detail. So you just want to fill up each line or each leg with the same kind of wavy line pattern. And I'm just going to kind of put them on each one all the way across. Now, this is your basic drawing. There's so many different details you can add to these and put different designs and everything on there. You can add extra little designs up here. You can add details right around the face. There's so many different things you can do, and these are really cool and really fun just to kind of decorate and make your own. But there you go. There's my version of a Chinese lion dancer. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.